Right, the problem we've had is the car's getting hot inside, even when you turn the thermostat to cold. So the control's on blue, but it's fully heated inside. So you're all the time sweating, and as you can see, it's a very hot day. The car hasn't got air conditioning. But the control valves was suspect. First thing is to make sure you label up the pipes before you start, and then once you've done that, you can start to remove the suspect item by removing screws, which we'll show you, and that's it.
Mm-hmm.
There you go. Above?
Yep.
Go. You can't get it the other way.
There we go.
Alright. Right. Yeah. You think that's not fully?
Yeah, I think so.
I'm not so sure. Oh, that's it. You can hear it click.
Yeah.
That's it.
There you go. Did you push the full click down? Okay. Recording. Push it on. Yeah, I think they're both on.
That's it. Okay. Well, here's the old pump, and as you can see, it's all corroded. And this solenoid, it's meant to move in and out. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So when you're on blue, that's got 12 volts, and that's meant to keep this valve fully closed. When you're halfway, it's pulsing, so it opens and shuts. So the voltage is there half the time, and it's just pulsing. So you're getting some hot water and some cold, or it's not fully heating up. When you got it fully on full heat, that means that the valve now is fully open, and that means that this is now retreated and is now open. So it means it's off more than it is on, and this is on more than it's off, and this is off and on roughly half the time, and then the blower just circulates the temperature.
Mm-hmm.
So if you feel the pipes, especially this one at the back here, you can feel a pulse, and it's like a little pump, and that's when the valve opens. So it's doing it about every 5 or 6 seconds. You know, it's working. So that's the new valve, control valve. Pipe's been put back on. All we got to do is put the face shoes back, and then that should be it. So problem solved. Of course, you've checked for leaks, and then you put back the panel. This panel goes underneath, so as the water just runs off the window. Let me put this back. Yeah, obviously you have to top the water up. Everything, all the covers are back on. All covers are back on. Just top her up. And then run a, make sure the heating's working and that you'll get in hot when you want hot and cold when you want cold. Especially in this weather, the hottest day in September I think on record, so it wasn't much fun having the heating on all the time. Thank you.